So Saturday, been a few weeks since I've been able to do one of these videos. Meeting a friend for lunch, then I'm gonna go check out a new property in Huntington Beach. So let's go check it out and get some food first. All right, so I just finished up lunch here at Rooster and Rice in Costa Mesa. Met up with my friend. It was good catching up with her. Hadn't seen her in a while. And lunch was delicious, light, refreshing, just what I needed. And so I would highly recommend this place, Rooster and Rice. Decent amount of food for less than $20, which is good for Orange County. Now let's get over to Huntington to go check out this new construction house. Welcome to Huntington Beach. Landsea Homes, aka Essex Gage, is a new construction development here in the early stages, stage one and stage two, or phase one, phase two, of different townhomes, 2-bed, 2.5 bath, up to 4 beds, 3 full baths, and two half baths. So 2,500. They have a big range. Things would be great for a lot of buyers, and they've advised me to just have a run of the place and take a look at the different homes. Some cool stuff here. So let's check out their floor plan number 11. This is the top end version, which is their most expensive, asking about $1.4 million for this. So a few important details about floor plan 11 so far. They have upgraded finishes, upgraded flooring, and these homes are estimated to be available around November, which right around the corner, 2 months from now. So far, so good. Let's continue walking. All right, so we are now in plan 3. There were a few other options I could have stopped in, but they're very similar to the first one, just a little bit smaller. This one is probably your first major step down. You're talking about 1,300 square feet of livable space in here, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Doesn't have the bonus room that the first one did, which was also about 2,500 square feet. So let's see how this lays out. Let's go upstairs. All right, so the last floor plan I think I'm gonna check out at Essex Gage. This is plan number 4. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. You're looking at about 1,500 square feet. And it already has a really cool den area right as you walk in. This could be an office, this could be a homework spot, or it could just be a place that you decorate up. I like it. I like how they staged it. All right, so I'm back home. Essex Gage was pretty cool. I really like this new construction setup. There's about 71 units in this community. They're going to have dog parks. They'll have community pools. The HOA fees, which will be anywhere from 300 up to maybe 560 roughly, will cover everything, including your insurance, the exterior maintenance of the community. But one of the reasons you'll want to live in this area is the location. You are minutes away from Bella Terra, which is one of the best shopping and dining experiences in Orange County. And if you're going to live in Huntington, you either want to live near Bella Terra or near the water and HB Pier. So one or the other. You're near Bella Terra, so everything is there, from Whole Foods to Banks to Barnes and Noble to Cheesecake Factory to something high-end like Fogo de Chao. Everything is there. This is probably not for your first time home buyer, since the lowest price they have is in the mid nines and jumps up to about 1.4, 1.5 million. But they offer a fixed interest rate option in the fives, which is amazing, 5% interest. And they have a $20,000 flex credit, which can be applied towards closing costs and other services that they may offer. So if you'd like to set up a private showing, let me know, send me a message, and we can see if we can help you buy one of these places, which is available in October and November as a part of phase 1 and phase 2. I'll catch you on the next video.